Further up the line, Skarloey was taking on more water. Rheneas was happy to see his friend. "Hello," he chuffed cheerfully. But Skarloey wasn't cheerful. "I'm tired," groaned Skarloey. "I've been working hard all day, and I still have to pick up stone from the quarry. Then I have to collect coal trucks from the transfer yards and deliver them to the wharf." Skarloey's water was full, and he puffed sadly away. Rheneas wanted to help his friend. Then an idea flew into his funnel. "I'm going to the wharf," he thought. "I can deliver Skarloey's coal trucks for him. It will be a nice surprise," he puffed, and he raced quickly back to the yards.